Good evening. I am Albert Alex, belongs to Acharya College of Engineering Technology, Pondicherry. Today I am going to take the class on about DFA, belongs to Automata subjects. DFA is nothing but Deterministic Finite Automata. So what do you mean by DFA means? On each state there will be only one transition will be possible. So that is called DFA machines. What are the components available in DFA? Let us take A is a machine, DFA machines. What are the components means? First one is Q. Q is nothing but number of states. And next one is epsilon, number of input symbols. What are the input symbol is available? And third one is your delta, transition functions, nothing but transition functions. And Q0 is your initial states. And F is your final states. That is 5 different type of components will be available. Now we are going to see about what small machines. We are going to design small machines. That is the DFA machine which can accept all the strings begin with 0 0. So our constraint is our machine, our string must begin with 0 0. So how we can design the machines? See, first one is your initial is your starting states. Let us take Q0 is your starting states. So first 2 digits must be 0 0. But when we go for Q0, there will be 2 possibilities will be available. The input may be 0 and input may be 1. But our constraint must be 0. If it is 0 means there will be a transition from one stage to another stage. So if it is 1 means we are still in same stage. So let us take if you are in 1 means there is no transition. But if it is 1 means if it is 0 means there will be a transition from Q0 to, again let us take the second stage is Q1. Again when you reach the Q1 there will be 2 possibilities. The input symbol may be a 0 or input symbol may be a 1. But our constraint is second string also must be 0. If it is 0 means there will be a transition from one stage to another stage. If it is 1 means there is no transition. Let us take if it is 1 means there is no transition. Still we are remaining Q1. If it is 0 means there will be a transition from Q1 to, let us take Q2. Right? Now after 0 0 there will be any number of digits will be possible. It may be a zeros or it may be a ones. Any number of digits will be possible. So that we can take in Q2 if it is zeros and 1. Again we are still in Q2. So now what is the final states? We can take Q2 is our final states. That will be represented by double circles. And always your input is your starting state is represented by incoming arrows. So your design of your machine will be completed. Next we will go for your transition tables. So transition tables. How many states is here? We have 3 states. Q0, Q1, again Q2. So there will be 3 states. Your Q0 and your Q1, again Q2. So how many input possibilities is there? We have 2 possibilities. The input symbol 0 or it may be a 1. So if it is 0 and another one is 1. Now what are the transition will be available? In Q0, if it is 0 means it will go to Q1. And if it is 1 means well still in Q0. So Q1, again this one is Q1, this one is Q0. Again in Q1 there will be 2 possibilities. So if it is 1 means there is no change. If it is 0 means the Q1 moved to Q2. Q2, this one is there is no change. So this one is again there is no change. So you can give one small arrow. Right? So this we can call as a transition tables. This Q2 we can represent it by, this one is final states. So we can represent it by star. And this Q0 is your initial state. This one is represented by this single arrow. So that's all about basic things about your DFA machines. Thank you.